Welcome back to the channel. Now, I don't want to bore you with details, but it's currently the 5th of February and I've barely worked this year due to other reasons. I cannot catch a break. However, I have had a job pushed back. I've done a quote on Saturday and we've started it on the Thursday. So we've had a little bit of a touch that we can squeeze in a week's work. The weather, my God, is disgusting. We've got a master trowel and a digger. We're going to dig this out and we're going to have a semicircle cut into it, and then we're going to slab it like this. This is a past project and they've called us back, so it's about 21 square meters this side and similar that side, a little bit less that side. That side they want as cheap as possible, so I've ordered the materials as a square rather than a semicircle, and whatever's missing, he said patch around the outside and I'm going to bang a shed on it. So that is that. Master trowel and a digger. We've got the motivator on the wheelbarrow. We've actually boarded it out as nice as we can. So the plan is, we've got our digger, we're going to dig this down from there to there, about 150 to 200 millimeters depth. We're going to fit it with type 1, MOT type 1, whacker plate it, that is the plan. If you've never done a patio before, we basically want 150 to 200 mil compacted, and that's going to be solid. So we've dug this out-ish. We need a semicircle from that pin there, and then it's 3 meters. We found the central mark, which is this blue line. From that end to that end is 2.8, so that was 3.9.
What's the 2.8, 3.9?
I don't know. What was it? How long was that?
That was 7.8, so the midpoint.
7.8. That was 7.8. Yeah, that's 3.8. I don't know why I keep saying 2.
2 twos.
So we found our central mark, and this is how wide they want it to come out. So we're trying to get the perfect semicircle. Usually we would get like a circumference, put a pin in there, we'd get a line to there, and we would obviously rotate it there. But the maths is not mathing. From here to that start point is 4.4-ish, something like that. Obviously we don't want to go out a metre past that mark. So we can't quite work out how to do it. We're going to go get a bit of flexi, something long enough, and bend it ourselves. But is there a mathematical way that we could find the perfect semicircle? Where would our start point be to get from there to there and then draw it round without going past that 3 meters? If you could let me know in the comments, please. We have one full grab lorry. It's not stopped pissing down all day, literally. Oh, it's the rain that gets you wet. It is carnage. Carnage. Look at him. The state of him.
But it was fun.
You want a bit?
No one.
Yeah, be in the trenches with the lads.
And the lads.
It's that fine rain, you know, minging. Absolutely minging. But that one's done. And this second one is done, and we need to get out of here because this is disgraceful scenes. Annoyingly, I've asked the builders merchants, do you have station white, which is that? They say yeah. I go down there, they don't have station white, so now I've started a job and I can't find the slabs because they lied to me, man. They lied to me, man. Bit cleaner. Good boys. Yeah. Good boys. Like, clean it up a little bit. Oh, we've got a bit of a puddle. Who built that?
I've just swept it up there
Oh, right, yeah.
on purpose.
Right, so that's today done. We're going to come back in the morning.
No.
We've got 8 ton of type 1 come in. I've managed to find the slabs and I've managed to find them cheaper. So what a touch. So I'll see you in the morning. No, not the fresh drive. Grim. And just like that, it's day 2 on this job, and as predicted, it is absolutely minging as per usual. We've just had the grab lorry go. We're waiting for the grab lorry to bring 8 ton of hardcore back, but I don't think the homeowner really wants us to work. She doesn't want us to mash up the garden because the weather is grim. But I'm going to send you over to the studio and get our weather forecast and our weather stats for the year.
Thank you, Adam, for passing over the mic. Well, I've learned that we have had 100% of rainy days in England this year so far. 34 days. 34, 36?
36.
36, as you can see. 36 days of rain. In Bexley, that's 24 days of rain. Well, I'll pass you back over to the motivator. Oh, that's me. Shit. I'll pass you back over to someone who can motivate you better than I can.
So it has rained 64% of the year so far. What a shocker. I'll go show you what we're doing. Basically, just got to clear that little bit. This is going to be an MOT lump, like myself. Going to get the digger into the barrows. We're going to walk it up here. And realistically, it's a race between, is the weather going to hold out and am I going to bankrupt myself because I haven't worked this year? This is about
Looks great.
about 3 weeks worth of work out of 6. Some nice white porcelain which we need to clean up. Shouldn't really be here, to be honest. Look, it looks atrocious, but that is going to be filled with type 1. And the same over there. Don't really want to walk on the grass. It's just a mud bath. But we'll see what happens. Oh man, as predicted, we've had to call it a day. The rain is about to come down. We've cleaned up everywhere and it's just going to cause carnage. Running barrels of type 1 over that. We just can't catch a break, man. The reason why it didn't work in January is because there was an issue with the stills, which a knock-on effect basically wiped the whole month out. So we've been scratching around doing a little bit of day here and there, ringing people up, can you squeeze us in? So it's been a headache. The bank account has taken a walloping, but I'd rather keep the reputation of being like a good builder. We could be greedy and work today, but it would cause carnage for the homeowner, and if the homeowner ain't happy, they're not going to review you, and there's a massive knock-on effect. So better to lose a little bit more money than to be greedy and lose further jobs. So I don't know. How's your month going? Let me know how your month's going. I don't even know, just end the video there and be a to be continued. If I do, thank you for watching. If I don't, to be continued.